Now we are going to start with solution number 5. Here DK Goel cash book chapter number 11, and in this we have to construct a cash book of Mr. Suchitra Sen and Company. This is the cash book of Suchitra Sen and Company. Now this year is 2017 in my book. It may be your 2019 or 2020 new book. Which year is it? 2020. Very good. From March 11, March 1st, it is of your MAR first. March 1st we will see cash in hand means opening balance. So here we will write your your BALANC balance brought down, and the amount is 1 lakh. Your 1 lakh, your 20,000. Now our calculator is you. Iram, what's your name? Pizza is calculator, and that side we have Fahad is calculator. It is clear? Payment side Fahad, you have to calculate and correct the amount if the amount is wrong on the board. Now bought machinery for 60,000 and paid carriage. So bought machinery obviously that is of your March 2nd, and the RCH March 2nd will be of your buy machinery, and the CHI and ER1 machinery, or you can write assets also. That is of your, how much it is of your 60,000. It is what? 60,000. Fahad, are you sleeping? And here in this entry one more thing is written, that is of your paid carriage also. So here buy machinery and buy carriage you will write. So it is your buy CHRRIAGE. Carriage क्या होता है? भाड़ा किराया, whatever it is. So it is 2,000 rupees. Still Fahad is sleeping. Now bought goods for 25,000 and paid carriage. Again the same entry. So here we have what date is here? 4th. Date 4 we have. So here buy purchase PURCHA as the purchase account. And it is purchase account 20 purchase account is of your 25,000. That means it is true that Fahad is sleeping. 25,000 Fahad, and paid carriage only 1,000. So here we will have paid carriage carriage. It is of your 1,000. Who is talking and back? Don't do this. Now next is your bought goods for Ravidas. Open it beta. Voice is going to be echo. Now bought goods for Ravidas. It should be entered. ये एंट्री करना है क्या? रविदास को एंट्री करना है? नहीं करना है एंट्री रविदास को. Why we will not enter the Ravidas? Because it is your credit purchase. Now cash received from sales of motor. So cash received, that means your to what to write, that is of your motorbike. So MOTOR or your BIK bike, motorbike weight 3. How much it is? Is 5,000. Don't slip. Now your sold goods for cash less 5% discount. Sold good for cash. So obviously the date is 8, and we will write here to your sales. So it is sold to sales account. We will write how much it is? 20,000. 5% cash discount 20,000. You see here we have 20,000. Subtract 5% of cash discount. 2, 5, 10. So 1,000 will be subtracted. So amount is going to be your 19,000 only. We are going to get 19,000 here. Now your sold goods. Obviously it is very simple entry. The date is your 10, and it is your to SALES sales account. How much we are going to receive? 40,000. This is what? 40,000. Now we have paid to Ravidas on account. Paid to Ravidas. Okay, so 12, paid 12. Your by your Ravidas. Ravi DS Das. How much it is? 10,000. Very good. Now he is waking up. Now next is your bought goods from Suresh for cash. For cash less 4% cash discount. Okay, 30,000 का amount. 30,000 we are going to purchase of 4%. So 3, 4 times 4, 3 is 12. So it is of your Suresh. bought goods from Suresh. So here we will write your buy purchase, or Suresh you can write buy goods from Suresh, 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 and that is of your 30,000. Subtract 4%. 30,000 minus 4%. 4 3 times equals to 12 0 0. So 8 9 1 8 3 28,800. So it is 28,800 will be we are going to pay to him. Now paid to Ravidas, simple entry. It is of your 20. Your by your Ravidas. How much it is? 4,500. 4,500. Then we have cash collected from Ashok. So we got the cash from Ashok and it is written collected. Collected means we have not taken loan. He is paying to us. It is clear? So it is what? To Ashok. A-S-H-O-K, Ashok. So Ashok we are going to write here what? 10,000. It is your 10,000. Now purchase postal stamp. Purchase postal stamp will be your here. Write POSTALSTAMPS stamps. And it is of your 500. Purchase postal stamp 500. Salary paid to accountant. So salary account 28 only. It is of your buy SALARY salary account. Salary account how much it is of your 15,000. So here we will write our total on that side. Here also we will write our total on that side. This side. So here total कितना? 1,94,000 we got. 1,94,000. We will see that our calculator is working properly or not. So 1,94,000 we will record on this side also. This is of your 1,94,000, and here we will write 1,94,000 and subtract the amount. Whatever is the calculation of this? 46,800. So either 2 will be there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7 will be there, 8, 4 and cancel. So here we will have on the date of 30th or 31st December. It is of March. So 31st March, your buy BALANC balance carried on, and that is of your 47,200. It is 47,200. Now the same amount we can record on that side on the 1st April 2020. It is clear? Now you can record it.